You know, Nicolai Chen once said, the skills needed for great ambition can be your best friends or worst enemies. How can the skills be your best friends and worst enemies? Skills are needed for achieving your goals, your ambitions. That quote really struck a chord with me. I've always been someone with big dreams and even bigger goals. But with ambition comes the risk of burnout. It's a tightrope walk, and trust me, I've been there. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm an entrepreneur, an interior designer, a motivational speaker, a poet, and I love sharing all things beautiful with you. Let me take you back a few years. There I was, juggling multiple projects, leading teams, and constantly pushing myself to do more. I was riding high on my ambition. It felt amazing, like I was unstoppable. But there was a catch. I was working long hours, skipping meals, and honestly, my personal life was starting to fade into the background. It's easy to think that the only way to achieve your goals is to give everything you've got 24/7. But here's the truth. If you don't take care of yourself, all that ambition can turn into is your worst enemy. I was on the brink of burnout. My energy was drained and I wasn't enjoying the work that I used to love. That's when I made a crucial decision. I decided to prioritize work-life balance. Now I know what you're thinking. Work-life balance? Is that even possible with big dreams? And I'm here to tell you, yes, it is. In fact, finding that balance is what helped me achieve my goals in the long run. Let me share how I did it. 1. Set boundaries. I started setting clear boundaries between work and personal time. No more answering emails at midnight. I created a schedule that allowed me to work efficiently during the day and completely unplug in the evenings. Number 2, self-care is non-negotiable. I made time for exercise, hobbies, and just relaxing. It wasn't about taking time away from work. It was about recharging so that I could be more effective at work. Number 3, delegate and trust your team. As someone who's always wanted to do everything myself, this was a game changer. I learned to delegate tasks and trust my team, which not only relieved some of my stress, but also empowered others. Number 4, celebrate small wins. Instead of only focusing on the big goals, I started celebrating the small victories along the way. This kept me motivated and reminded me of making progress that I was making. And you know what? When I started to balance my ambition with a healthy lifestyle, everything improved. My creativity soared, my energy levels were up, and I started hitting my goals faster and with a lot more joy. So, if you're an ambitious person like me, remember this. Your drive and determination are incredible tools, but they'll only take you where you want to go if you're in the right state of mind and health to wield them. Take care of yourself, find your balance, and you will not only reach your goals, you will enjoy the journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. And hey, let me know in the comments, how do you balance your ambition with your personal life? I'd love to hear your tips and experiences. Until next time, keep dreaming big. I love you. I believe in you. Take care of yourself and keep smiling.